Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites so you avoid surprises. First, verify your Ubuntu release and enable 32-bit architecture. This ensures installer libraries will work. Once done, install Wine or Play on Linux. These provide the Windows runtime you need. Make sure to prefer stable Wine versions and install required dependencies because missing libs break installs. Meanwhile, prepare your Microsoft Office installer or plan to use Microsoft 365 web apps. Backup important files. You now install and configure Office inside the environment you created. Start with a fresh Wine prefix and set it to Windows 10. This prevents conflicts with other apps. Next, run the Office installer from a terminal so you see errors and missing DLL messages. Use Winatrix to install Cora fonts, vcrun 2015, and .NET components that many Office components require. This fixes UI and runtime issues. If using Play on Linux, follow its guided installer and adjust drive mapping so Office sees C correctly. You finish by activating and verifying Office functionality so you can work immediately. Sign in or enter your key, then open Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to confirm file saving, printing, and add-ins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.